some volumizing spray so that my hair stays in the damn humidity. Final touches to the outfit. I'm wearing Bulgari sunglasses as well as the Moschino. Beautiful humans. Well, it's morning for me. I don't know what time it is for you guys, but hi. Today is the day I'm gonna be sharing my hair care routine step by step, filming it in absolute detail from all the products I'm using in the shower to everything that I'm using after I'm styling. So this is for my curly hair. I know you guys have been wanting to know how I get my curly hair routine snatched for so many days. Also, the reason why my hair lasts so long for like 5 days is because I've trained my hair. So during the pandemic, I allowed myself for my hair to become very greasy and nasty so I can train my hair. So I can literally go without washing my hair for like 5 to 6 days because I've trained the grease on my hair to stop doing that, which is really nice. But thank you so much for coming back and supporting me, you guys. I honestly wouldn't be able to do any of this without you. I hope that I'm adding value into your life, or that you are in mine. I'm so happy that I can create and share everything that I do. Like, this is a dream come true for me, and I just hope I can do more for y'all. So make sure before you get started to hit the subscribe button so you can come back and check out more content from me when I post it regularly, as well as hit the like button if you love this content and want to learn more about how I do my beauty things. So let's get started. Starting with the Fable and Mane hair oil. I'm going to be giving myself a little scalp massage because, you know, like us South Asians, like this is our jam. Like literally, I live in the US right now, but coming from the other side of the world, hair is our thing. So giving yourself a oil scalp massage, essential to having healthy, long, luscious hair. And we are known for our hair all over the world. So if you're gonna trust anyone, you gotta trust the South Asians. We know what's up. So we are going to be using scalp massages to help bring blood circulation and to also help oxygen flow to help your hair grow denser, thicker, longer. It's very important because we don't get a lot of movement up on the crown of our head in that area. I'm using a special Ayurvedic pressure points in this video segment. So this is the first point. This is really going to help encourage hair growth. So make sure you do these Ayurvedic pressure points if you want to grow your hair, okay? Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really that consistent with my hair care routine until like 2 years ago because I started experiencing a lot of hair loss. I believe it's either from my PCOS or just from the dry air. Make sure you also rub the oil to the very ends of your hair and let it marinate for at least a few hours before you wash it out. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be making some rosemary water to rinse my hair after the shower. This is one of our essential things that we use for our hair care routine is making rosemary water. We are going to boil it and then bring it down to simmer, and then we're going to put it in a bottle and use it in the shower later. I use the T-Gel Neutrogena shampoo. Honestly, this gives me the most cleanest feel on my scalp because I'm very prone to dandruff. So it is my favorite shampoo to go in with if you want that really clean feel. And then I'm using this scalp brush to help get any of the other dandruff off by Vegamore. Next, I'm going in with the conditioning mask by Moroccan Oil. This is honestly one of my favorite hair masks because it literally leaves my ends feeling so nice. It helps with like any breakage and all of that. I only use a very little. You only need a little, very little. Okay, and then I only rub it on the ends of my hair. A lot of people go and put it on your scalp, but that's how you're gonna have really oily hair later, and you don't want that. Trust me, you don't want that. Next, I'm going in with the conditioner, which is by Fable and Mane. Honestly, this one smells like so coconutty and so nice, and it's a really great complement to the hair mask that I was using because it's not as super oily where it's going to like just leave your hair feeling nice and shiny and beautiful. Lastly, I'm going to be using the rosemary water that we made before to rinse my hair. So remember, you're putting it in your hair, you're not washing it out with water afterwards. You're leaving it in your hair and then you're going to massage it into your scalp. I just removed my microfiber towel. Guys, please use a microfiber towel because your hair is so susceptible to breakage when it's wet, and it's the most gentlest thing that you can use on your hair. Okay, so I took it off. I usually let my hair air dry, but as it's wet, I like to put in a couple treatments, a hair oil as it dries, and I'm prepping it to put heat on it. I'm going in with the Vegamore Hair Growth Serum. I've been using this for the past few months and it's honestly been doing so great for my hair growth. I'm parting my hair and applying it just like I did with the hair oil at the first. And I'm going to be massaging it into my scalp. So you do this when your hair is dry and also when you just wash it as well because you want to do this every single day. I am committed to this process because I want to see my hair get a little bit more denser and thicker because I've lost a lot of density in my hair over the years. And then I'm using the Keratase Elixir Oil for my ends, especially since I'm going to be letting my hair air dry. I feel this like gives a much more lustrous feel to the ends of my hair. After I let my hair air dry for a little bit, I'm going to be going in with a leave-in conditioner by Sol Janeiro. And you guys, this literally smells like so good. If you have the Boom Boom Cream by Sol, you know what I'm talking about. You're basically putting the Boom Boom Cream in your hair. So you're gonna smell so yummy. Like, it smells so good. I'm not even kidding. This leave-in conditioner also works as a heat protectant. Now that I'm done prepping my hair to be styled, I parted it in the middle and I'm going to be sectioning it off just like this. And I'm going to be showing you how I curl it and pin it up in the video for each process. And yeah, pretty straightforward. I've been a Dyson girly for the past few years, the Airwrap, but I'm definitely experimenting new ways to curl my hair as of recent. I will definitely share with you guys which ones are better. I know this is not wallet friendly, but you know, like I want to help you guys out, so I'm going to figure out some other methods to curl my hair as well. Experiment for you guys. This is just what I've been using for the past few years. I know there's some dupes of this now as well, so you know, honestly, it gives you such an airy and fluffy look to your hair if you do use a Dyson. But if not, like I've used hot rollers before. I'm experimenting with the what's that called? What's the name of that? The rod that you keep that you sleep in with. Oh my goodness, words are just not wording today, but that's okay. I'm human. The silk rod method. Yeah. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. After styling my hair, I go in and I set it with the Bedhead Hard Head Hairspray. This honestly keeps my hair in place. I leave my hair in the pin curls for at least 3 to 4 hours because this completely sets the look and keeps my curls for the next few days. And it's so worth it because I don't have to like take it out. Like guys, it's literally the greatest investment you make. Now that it's set, I'm taking out my curls, and yeah, I'm kind of gonna look like a brown Shirley Temple, but it's gonna be so worth it, I promise, because it's gonna loosen up and you're just gonna be having so much fun when it's super curly, but once it's loosened up, you're gonna be looking like a goddess every single day. Lastly, the Sol Janeiro Nourishing Hair Oil. I'm going in with this to help give some luster to my hair, and also the hairspray sometimes makes my hair a little bit crispy. This helps to loosen it up, give the luster, and just like nourish my hair and make it look so glossy and pretty over the next few days. And I love it when my hair is like this because I literally have so much fun when my hair is looking like this. I'm a little mean to myself sometimes when my hair is like this, but you know what? We trust the process. We trust the process because we know God's got our back and it's gonna look so cute later. And I also pin my hair like this, so then I get the fringe at the front the way that I want it. I'm also gonna be showing you guys how I tie my hair when I sleep. The first night, you're gonna tie it in a bun very lightly. So I use this method, so I twist, and I twist it into a very light bun. That way you don't ruin the curls and it still keeps its shape. And when you wake up, it's still gonna look so nice. So first day, very light. And then after that, you can like tie it a little bit tighter in the same way, in the same bun form. Good morning, beautiful humans. So this is the next day after I slept with tying my hair super lightly, as I showed you last night. Yeah, my curls is loosened up a bit. It looks a little bit more airy, a little bit more flawless. And this is gonna keep happening throughout the next 5 to 6 days. It's gonna keep on getting looser, a little bit less curly and effortless. And I don't really style it again, but you know what? I just moved from a really dry climate that held my curls with dear life because it was so dry where I live to a really humid climate. So I'm really learning how to work with this, work with what God's given me. So it's not the greatest, but I'm gonna do that. And I also want to really try the silk like overnight method where I wrap around the silk rod and I sleep with them. I really want to try that and share it with you guys and see if that's something that I want to move towards, because you know I want to not put as much heat on my hair anymore. And yeah, I hope you guys really loved my hair tutorial and that you guys learned some tips and tricks and products that you would like to add into your routine. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and supporting me and being there for me. And I will see you guys again soon. Have an amazing day wherever you are in the world. And I love you guys. Okay, bye.